there are storage service also. So here if we see widely used storage service is S3. So whenever we want to store any different files, say for example images or videos and all those files, we are using this S3 services. Okay, so in this S3 service case, um, we just need to create a bucket, like say for example we can give xyz bucket name, or we can say demo bucket name or whatever, and we need to select the region, and we just need to uh, create our bucket. Okay, we need to give this bucket unique. Okay, so that I'm just for now giving specific name, so it should be unique or something. Okay, so I have just given a unique name, so now it's launching the bucket. Okay, so this bucket, I have already some other bucket relevant to other things, but this is a bucket, so here we are able to easily upload the files and all those things, in even we can do programmatically. So this is files we are saving in the S3 bucket, and we are using in our project or somewhere through cloud. Okay, but this is a storage service. Same way this EFS is also kind of file storage service. We can share it across multiple EC2 and all those things. Storage gateway is for kind of hybrid mode, like if you want to use on premises and S3 together, in that case we can use storage gateway in between. Glacier is kind of for archive services, like we have a lot of file and we want to do some files archive, then we are using this S3 Glacier. So these are some so widely used storage services.